Assalamu alaikum. Today in the Wazwan series I am going to show you how Lahabi Kebab are made in Wazwan. This video has been made with the help of Kashmiri local chefs or wazas. One of the special kebabs served in Wazwan. These kebabs are melange of hot and hint of tanginess. They are cooked in yogurt gravy with hot spices. So let's get started. For making these kebabs, they have taken boneless meat. Kashmiri Wazwan is cooked with lamb meat and meat with fat is preferred. So here you can see. So they will start mincing it manually on a wooden log and with a special knife. You can see in this video. Preparing Kashmiri Wazwan is an art in itself. Till date, it's being cooked on slow burning wood and almost everything is done manually. So here you can see how he is mincing it. First they take small quantities to make it fine mince. Then they mix it together and then mix all the spices. So here he will be adding salt. Then again he will start mincing it. It takes a good amount of time for them to mince it. So same way he will do with the other portions of mince also. So here you can see it's coarse, and here now they have mixed all the portions and you can see it's a good amount of mince now, and they will keep it mincing till it becomes very coarse, and I will show you the texture. Now the other spices he's going to add is chili powder, turmeric powder, black cardamom pods or seeds, and cumin seeds, and salt he has already added. And again he will start mincing it so that they get mixed properly. It was quite a sunny day, so he moved to shade. Hope it's visible. They will keep mincing it till all the spices are mixed properly. Here you can see they will keep mincing it. Now in this video it's visible that all the spices are mixed because the color of spices is visible. Now they will keep it in refrigeration for around 1 hour. This will help it in binding, and they have added some coriander. So after 1 hour of refrigeration, here you can see again they will mince it, and I will show you the texture also. This mince is also for Sikh kebabs. I'll be leaving a link in the description box. So it's like together they will mince it for Lahabi Kebabs and Sikh kebabs. So here he will show you the texture. This is the texture. It's a little coarse, not very fine. Now he has taken the meat for the Lahabi Kebabs, and I'll show you how they shape Lahabi Kebabs. Lahabi Kebabs are little boat shaped, or like we can say diamond shaped kebabs. And he's using egg mixture to smoothen the surface. So here you can see this is the Lahabi Kebab. And now they have heated up oil, here you can see, and then they will be frying kebabs. They fry kebabs before cooking them, and you can see that Wazwan is cooked on simmering flames of wood. So they will fry it. It's kind of deep fried, here you can see. Before moving to the gravy, I'll show you how yogurt is cooked in Wazwan. And this is the base gravy for Goshtaba, Danwal Korma and Lahabi Kebabs. So here you can see they are whisking the yogurt, then they will cook it on flame till it gets its first boil. It's same way we cook yakhni, and they cook it in large quantities, and they use same for gushtabas, danwal korma and lahabi kebab. They don't cook it separately. We keep it stirring till it gets its first boil so it doesn't curdle. Once it starts to boil, it will be taken off the flame and used in gravies. Now they are adding cooked yogurt gravy to lahabi kebabs, and they have added oil and good amount of mint, dried mint and other spices. Other spices include cinnamon, green cardamom, cloves, fennel seed powder, and they have added turmeric also to it. For lahabi kebabs, they have not made a separate gravy. They used a portion of yakhni with some extra spices, and they are adding a gravy from Rogan Josh to it, so it gives a very good flavor. It's a mix of mild and hot, so here you can see, and then they will cook it. So they have added two types of gravies, they have not made separate. Here I would like to mention again that they are not making separate gravy. They are adding a portion from yakhni and a portion from Rogan Josh or any other red gravy, and already those gravies are already cooked, so they have spices in them, so they don't add spices here. Then it will be cooked on flame for some time till they are cooked properly. Here you can see, and oil is also visible on the surface. Now here the lahabi kebabs are ready. Do check my other Wazwan videos also, and I'll be leaving a link of lahabi kebab, how to make lahabi kebab at home, mutton and chicken as well, in the description box. Do check them out. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.